Check lang tayo ng ating mukha. Mukhang hindi pantay yung ating mukha. Parang maputi yung aking face. Or sa camera lang to. Tapos yung dibdib ko maitim. We're going to the Pure Gold. Come on, let's go. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, babe.
Bye-bye.
I'm gonna leave that one here, anak. You don't need... Kunin mo yung ano ko, stroller.
Keep one. Yeah, take one. Yeah, take the stroller, please. It's too hot outside.
Dito stroller. Ay, ano? Ay, asa ba yung stroller, babe? Asa stroller? Under the, table.
Table. Wait, darling, wait.
Wait lang, nak. Bye, babe. Kiss daddy. Where daddy kiss? Where daddy kiss?
Bye-bye.
Give daddy kiss. Daddy, give daddy kiss. Come on. Hurry up, go.
Bye-bye. Be careful.
Babush. Si Babush. Aray. Sure ka? Parang kang lang nasa bahay ko. Take or try. Careful na, careful. Try. How do you call trike? Yung mas galit pa? Trike. Careful. Mama! You hold? Ay, we still have, wala akong listahan today. Bakit wala tayong listahan ginawa, anak? Nandito pala kami sa Pure Gold, mga shots. Dito na kami nag-grocery after SM. Tingnan natin dito kung gaano kadami ang maaabot ng 10K mo sa Pure Gold. You want biscuit, anak? Want to get some biscuit? Which one you like? Huh? Okay, let's go this way first. Mommy needs some soap. And we need soap for you, anak. Okay, let's do here. A napkin ko. We need napkins. Tapos ka na, di ba? Ang kati ng mata ko. Bakit kaya? Kuha ka ng napkin ko. Ang kati parang gusto kong dugdugin sa ilalim. Ang kati-kati. Kati-kati ng mata ko parang gusto kong dugdugin. Yung those days, nalala ko doon kay sino ba yung nasa video? All night? Mag-ano ka na all night? Kasi walang Sabagay ka, ano pa naman natin. Ayaw ko na may wings. Sister. Itong itong modest na nga lang. Tanggalin mo yung... Bakit yung Charmy malaki? Nakakal. O yung sister na non-wings, na all night. Kunin mo. Naiwan ang stroller. Lumabas, walang stroller na dala. Anak, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Mauna ka na, Juan. Anak, ate first, ate. Come on, come out. Oh, it's raining, anak. Bigay mo yung resibo, Juan. Raining. Hurry up now. Strike na ng call. Strike. Nandito na kami sa labas mga shots ng Pure Gold. For some reason, malakas yung ano dyan, yung pa-music ni Pure Gold. Kaya narinig dito sa aking microphone. Siguro nag-iba yung setting. Kaya voice over lang muna natin tong bandang part na to. Kasi nga pauwi na rin naman kami. Nandito na kami sa loob ng tricycle. And inaantay lang nila na mailagay lahat ng boxes. So, ayan, nag-hello yung aking anak. That's my baby girl, Ayana. Love you, nak. Okay. Okay. Let's do the grocery haul. Oh. Kauwi pa lang namin sa ano mga sa Pure Gold. Ay, wait nga lang. Yung aking mata, maliwanag. O yung cellphone yung madilim. Wait na, let me check. Yung ating ano. Wait lang. Yan. Okay. First thing first is we have this lots of bread. Yeah, I know. We got lots of bread kasi nga every 2 weeks kaming nag-go-grocery. So, dinanamihan na namin ng mga bread kasi ito yung kailangan ni Daddy. Ni Daddy? Yeah? Okay. So, we have that. And we have Ayana's, that's Daddy's yogurt. Only 4. Kasi walang mga ano sa ibang ano. Walang mga kulang lang yung display. Ewan ko ba. Kaya 4 lang yung nabili ko. And we have this butter. More for Ayana yogurt. I got my Skippy peanut butter. And we have this nuggets. Chicken nuggets. So that's all we have. And we have this one. Oh, let's try this to Daddy. I think Daddy will like this one. Let's try, Kung pagbigyan si Papa mo ko. Oh.
Stay safe, guys. Ang lamig
Oh.
talaga.
You try this one. You want to try this?
No!
Oh, eh.
Mama!
Papa. Okay.
That's what's oh my god.
This one next. No. Don't bite one. This one. Anak. Mm. Okay. This one first. We're going to remove this one first. Ang saka naman ko.
Ano ba hindi kinain mo?
Yung shrimp. Sabi dyan na dyan. Kailangan pa talaga ano ka mag... What is this? Okay, we have this. Huwag ka dyan, kaya tatakpan yung aking ano. Lumumpo ka na kasi dyan. Meron tayong, what do you call this? Pancake for Bibiana. We got coffee for Daddy. We got soft drinks for Daddy kasi si Daddy sabi ayaw ng soft drinks pero naghahanap ng soft drinks. So we have this for Ayana. More on Ayana and Daddy. And we have coffee kasi minsan nag-crave ako ng amoy ng coffee kaya napabili ako ng ganito. Pero hindi talaga ako nagpo-coffee. And we got honey. Honey for Daddy's oatmeal. And we have this kasi minsan magbe-bake ako. Meron akong baking powder. And we got lots of drinks for babies Ayana kasi malakas siya sa mga ganito. So we have a lot this time. See? We got lots of drinks this time. And we got Nutribos for baby Ayana. And we got some iced tea for Ate Nicole. And we got more junks for Daddy.
Mama!
And we have cranberry.
Yay, Mama!
Oh, you want to open one? Let Ate open it. And the second box is We have here. Pabuksan mo kasi meron na, ano sa straw. Okay. Let ate open. Oh, buksan mo na.
Go down.
Which one? Orange.
Down.
Yeah, get ate.
Down.
Meron akong ano, melted cheese kasi meron akong gagawin. Lalagyan ko siya ng potato. Tapos ganito. May nakita ako. Basta nakita ko. More on drinks for baby Ayana. And we got lots of Century. Ito lang naman. Kasi marami pa akong stock sa likod. Tapos more Yakult. More Yakult. Yes, anak. Bigyan mo na siya ng isa. Bakit nagdilim tuloy yung aking ano, pinindot mo? Ang dami namang ano sa aking paligid. Tapos meron tayong crispy fry. Musog ako kasi ano yung aking screen. Ayan, pang tilapia minsan. Tapos meron akong mayonnaise. We got cheese.
Yan, ako, biting yan.
And we got some nor cubes and pork cubes. We have another iced tea. More Yakult for baby Yana. We have magic sarap. And we got some stick. Oh, pang snack ni baby Yana. And we got luncheon meat. Maling sugar. And cayenne powder. Ano gagawin sa cayenne powder? So we have more Yakult. Lagyan sa harapan. Meron akong Arla. Isa lang binili ko kasi meron pa akong binili galing sa SM. Hindi pa naubos. There's more on Chucky for baby Yana. Drinks. Hindi pa nga tayo na umpisa na. Maubos na yung inumin niya. So we got 2 ano lang, Argentina corned beef. Dalawa lang ba to? Ay, 3. Tapos we have this Goya. And we got San Marino. And we have energy drink. So that's that. We're on the... Meron pa tayong 3 boxes. Give me the ano, give me scissor.
This is real chat.
I don't know kung ano to. Tanggalin mo na yung mga box ko para hindi na ano sa ano mo sa daanan. Ha?
You can, asan mo?
So we have this one. Ewan ko ba si tinik ko lang bilis ng ano.
Finish this?
Yeah.
Ma,
Yan dishwashing. Ano ba yung problema nyo? Gulo-gulo nyo, nag-ano ako.
Walang straw. Yung
Itap mo nga yung ano. Asan ba yung store niyan?
Gunting.
On the fan, huh?
Ay, naku, stunay si. We have pang ano, panglabada. Ang gulo-gulo ng aking ano. Kulusog, gugulo yung screen ko. Pumapangit yung screen ko. Oh. So we still have second to the last box. Ito naman, akin na yung scissor. Parang ito na yung binili namin. Ang kunti lang. 8.5 na to. Ang kunti lang. So this time, wala kaming prutas kasi nagpunta kami sa Pure Gold. And yung ano sa mga Pure Gold, tsaka ng mga prutas doon. So meron akong napkin. Of course, girly-girly tayo. Sponge. Tapos meron tayong tissue. More on napkin. And we have these eggs. Sarapan mo ilagay. Eggs. And baking soda. We got some biscuit. Some noodles. And more on junks for Ate Nicole. And we got flour. Kasi mag-anong ako. Chichirya. Ito lang naman yung mga ano namin. Pagkain. Yan. Matawag dito. Paji bar. Ay, naku anak. Hindi ka na pamigil anak. More ano, ano tawag kasi na? Noodles. So, where's the
Can break it.
Open, let ate open na. Give one, give one, give one. So, ito, ano lang to siya. Ito kasi magaan lang siya. Ito pang ano lang to sa mga ano ko sa ref. Mga Tupperware, bumili ako para sa aming ref. Kasi minsan, gusto ko ng iisang kulay lang ba na nandyan yung sa ref. So, meron ako ito, buy one, take one to. Dalawa lang pala to. Parang napamahal pala ako. Akala ko so, ayan, buy one, take one sila. Dalawa yung binili ko. Akala ko ganito, buy one, take one ganito. Yung pala, dalawang piraso lang. Ay, nako. Nabudos tayo doon ah. Nabudol tayo. Tapos merong sa tinikol. Water bottle niya kasi pasukan na.
Water.
Ano to, cool? Bakit wala ng trash bag dyan? Oh, trash bag.
Walang ano. Yung
Large, medium, at saka ano.
small.
Tapos, ano ni Ayana? Diaper. Pagkain ni Monty. And we got toothbrush for Daddy and Ate Nicole. Meron tayong safeguard, di ilan lang. Meron tayong cotton buds. And to,
For me?
yeah,
Yours are
Toothbrush?
yours are green.
ipit ni Ayana. And ito yung aking pang ano, body soap.
Yours na toy. Finish your biscuit.
And I got this for you, babe. Livia.
Wow.
And I got this. Sabi ko powder. Pulbo lang daw to. Pero ganito yung kanyang tsura. So, matry nga yan. And we got clip for Baby Ayana. Yes, babe?
The bread not up here.
Oh, yeah, babe. There's no space. Can't you see? Tapos, mga ano na, Tupperware. Pang ref ko, dalawa. So, yun lang. Look at this one, babe. All of this. Yun lang yung binili namin. 8,500.
Yeah, I told you, cheaper than this one.
It's cheaper. There's no fruits here. At least in Islam you can buy fruits. This one is all nothing. Kita mo nga screen ko. Yeah. So yun lang yung aming ano, dadala man tong batang ito. Yan lang yung aming ano, grocery haul mga shots. Yeah, this is for you anak. I bought this for you because you don't have clip.
Yay.
All gone now. That's why I bought this for you. Let me see. Is this beautiful? Do you like this one? Let me try. Oh, can I put this one? Just try it on. Just try it on. Wow, that's so pretty. We show to daddy. Sabi, daddy, look at me. I am pretty. Okay, that's it. Okay, this one is different color. Anak, you can wear this one on Monday. That is day off. Okay? So, yun lang yung aming grocery mga shots. Maraming salamat po sa mga nanonood sa aking video. Sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe, please don't forget to like and subscribe sa aming YouTube channel. Bye, shots! Bye-bye! Say bye-bye to them. Bye-bye! Bye-bye! What's that?